Hello everyone, welcome to Tryonestep. If you have call connecting problem on WhatsApp, then try this task. First, check if your phone's internet is working properly. If there is no problem with internet, open Google Play Store and update WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp. Then click on the three dots above. Next, click on Settings. Then click on Storage and Data. Then turn on the Use Less Data for Calls option. With the help of this option, you can call with very little data. If there is a problem in call connecting now, then come to Settings and click on Help option. Then click on Contact Us option. Enter your problem in the blank box above and click on Next option below. Then click on Send My Question to WhatsApp Support option below. Then wait for a few minutes. WhatsApp will solve your problem. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.